Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video, our topic is remainder theorem. So f of x when divided by x minus a, we get a remainder of f of a. Okay. So how why are we going to discuss this is if it is given that f of x equals to x cube plus 4x plus 2, if it is divided by x minus 1, just put x equals to 1 in here and we'll get that remainder equals to 1 plus 4 plus 2, which is 7. There are some special cases in here. These are frequently asked during CAT. Okay, given x plus 1 by x equals to p. Just find x square plus 1 by x square in terms of p. Okay, how are we going to find it? Just by squaring it, we are getting that x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to p square. So we are getting this as p square minus 2. Okay. So what if we are cubing this? X cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x equals to p cube. Okay. X cube plus 1 by x cube equals to p cube minus 3p. Okay. So the next case is if it is given that x plus 1 by x equals to 2, if you observe that x equals to 1 here. Okay. So what will they ask is to find the value of x power 50 plus x power 10. So they might ask these type of questions. Another important case is if it is given that x plus 1 by x equals to root 3. So if you observe this one, if you are cubing it on both sides, what we are going to get is x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, which is equals to 3 root 3. Okay. So this is 1. This is root 3 and 3 root 3 and 3 root 3 cancels and x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 1. Okay. So x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0. From this we are getting x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0. So they might ask you questions like what is the value of x power 18. So they might ask you questions like this. So another one thing is with x plus 1 by x equals to root 2. So for this x square plus 1 by x square equals to 0. That means x power 4 equals to minus 1. Normally cat asks these type of questions. It is very important question model like f of x power g of x equals to 1. If they are giving any question like this, how are we going to do? So we are going to check three cases. The first case is f of x equals to 1. We are going to solve f of x equals to 1. We are getting some values of x. And the second case is g of x equals to 0. Put g of x equals to 0 and we are going to get some values. The third case is it's the most important case. We do mainly do mistake here only. So if anything is in the form of minus 1 power even. So f of x equals to minus 1 and g of x equals to even. So after solving this, we'll get some values. If we put those values here, if it is satisfying, then it will be a solution. So this is one of the most important uh, like model which CAT is frequently asking. Okay, and next model is example. Let's take an example. where it is given that uh, 2 power 1 by p equals to 3 power 1 by q equals to 576 power 1 by r. Find relation between p, q and r. So how are we going to solve this? Since it is given in this way, equate all these three equals to something called k. So 576 equals to k power r, and from this 2 equals to k power p, and 3 equals to k power q. 576 equals to 2 power 6 into 3 square, which is equals to k power r. So k power 2p into k power 2q, sorry, k power 6p into k power 2q equals to k power 6p plus 2q equals to r. So this is the relation between pq and r. Okay. And there is another model, another type of questions which are asked. It is about comparing two things like let us take this example. They were asked to compare 2 power 1 by 2 and 3 power 1 by 3. How are we, they asked that which is greater. So how are we going to find it? First take the LCM of 2 comma 3, which is equals to 6. Okay. So for 2 power 1 by 2 comma 3 power 1 by 3, we can write it as 2 power 3 by 6 comma 3 power 3 by 6. So 3 power 2 by 6. Okay. That implies 8 power 1 by 6 comma 9 power 1 by 6. So if you see these two, 9 power 1 by 6 is clearly greater than 8 power 1 by 6. That means 3 power 1 by 3 is the greatest. Okay. So if they are giving anything like fractions in the powers, you have to find the LCM of the denominator and first equate the denominator. After that, you can do it simply. So that's it about today's video. In the next video, I will discuss about sequence, series, and progressions. Thank you. Bye.